Chapter 15. Friendly Adventure Trip. There were two best friends, Ria and Maya. They lived in Patna, a city full of hustle and bustle. Ria and Maya loved exploring new places and going on exciting adventures. One day they read about Phongpui National Park in Mizoram and Chabimura in Tripura. Their holidays were going on, so they decided to go on adventure trekking trip to the states of Tripura and Mizoram. They discussed about their plans with their parents and requested for their permission. Once they got the permission, Ria's father got their tickets and other arrangements done. They packed their bags with warm clothes, comfortable hiking shoes, first aid kits, raincoats, and lots of enthusiasm. Their mothers prepared some food items which they could carry and eat on their trip. They made litti chokha, chana ghugni, khaja, Thekuya, dal pitha, malpuya, khurma, laktho and balu shahi. They also packed some puri and potato sabzi to be eaten on the way. Maya's father dropped them at the Jayaprakash Narayan Airport in Patna for their flight to Lengpui Airport, Aijwal. The flight was for 4.5 hours with a stopover at Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata. During their flight to Lengpui Airport, Aijwal, they were mesmerized by the natural beauty of the mountains that they could see from the aeroplane. When they landed at Lengpui Airport, Aijwal, they were greeted by their guide and guardian for the trip, Parema. She was a very sweet person and was waiting for the girls at the airport with a car and driver. They exchanged greetings and started on their trip to Phongpui National Park. It took almost 10 hours to reach. The girls could not believe their eyes. The whole drive was beautiful. They went from one mountain to the other on the winding roads. The weather was so different from Patna. It was cool and misty. They reached their destination and checked into a homestay. In the morning they began their trek off to Phongpui National Park. Popularly known as the Blue Mountain, Phongpui is the highest peak in Mizoram. The area around the mountain has bamboo forests, beautiful flowers such as rhododendrons and orchids, butterflies, birds and some rare mammals. The people in the area were kind and told them fascinating stories about their land. They even cooked delicious local food for the girls, which was different from what they ate in Patna. They tried bamboo shoots, rice cakes, bai, chumha, sampiu, pach foran tarkari, bekang, yummy fish curry and kot pitha. They came back to their homestay and rested for the night. After one day, they said goodbye to their new friends in Mizoram and travelled to Tripura. Chabimura was their next adventure. It took them 20 hours to reach their homestay in Chabimura, Tripura. The homestay was in Amarpur. It is 12 kilometers from Chabimura. Here the weather was warmer. The Gomti River flows through the gorge within the steep rocky walls on both sides. Chabimura has panels of rock carvings on the steep mountain walls on the banks of River Gomti. There are huge carved images of Shiva, Vishnu, Kartika, Durga and other gods and goddesses. These images belong to 15th to 16th centuries AD. The Devtamura hill range through which this river flows has thick jungles and this place can only be reached by trekking. The girls along with their guide trekked 12 kilometers to reach the site. In Chabimura, they enjoyed local dishes like Mosting Serma, Bhangui, Kosoi Bwtwi, Muya Avandru, the spicy Mosting Serma, bamboo shoot curry and some sweet dishes like Chayar do Am, Poda Pitha. They also ate the unusual black rice chakhao and its pudding chakhao kheer. They had fun chatting with the local kids and learning about their way of life. As they hiked through the forests of Tripura, Ria and Maya compared everything they experienced with Patna. They realized that each place had its unique charm. Patna had its busy streets and warm climate, while Mizoram and Tripura offered cooler weather, friendly people, and delicious local food. After bidding goodbye to Parema, they started on their road journey back to Lengpui Airport. After many exciting days of trekking, they returned to Patna with wonderful memories and new friends. Ria and Maya knew that they were lucky to have explored such diverse places and learn about different cultures. They realized that the world was full of amazing adventures waiting to be discovered.